students. This is your Paromita ma'am again in front of you. Nowadays, you are not able to come to school. You know why? Because around us, so many people are suffering from COVID-19. What is COVID-19? Yes, it is a disease. To recover from this disease, whose help do we need the most? A doctor and a nurse. So, doctor and nurse, they are our helpers. Like doctor and nurse, so many helpers are there around our society. They are called our social helpers. Now, we will discuss about our social helpers' name. Let's start. The first social helper is doctor. Doctor cures us when we are sick or ill.
I am Saurabh Chakraborty. I am a doctor.
She is a teacher. Teacher teaches us to read and write.
I am a teacher. Thank you.
Is a soldier. Soldiers fights for our country and protects us.
I am a soldier.
He is a farmer. Farmers grows food for us.
I am a farmer. Dig the soil. So
He is a gardener. Gardener looks after the plants by watering them.
I am a gardener.
He is a milkman. Milkman provides milk for us.
Milk, 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 milk. I am a milkman.
Apart from them, there are other helpers also, like cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes. Barber. Barber cuts our hair. Postman. Postman brings letter for us. Driver. He is a driver. He drives your school bus and other buses also. Firefighter. He saves us when our house catches fire. As there are many social helpers, so it is not possible to discuss all of them in a single class. So, today up to this much, and another day I will again come up with some other social helpers. But before ending today's class, there is a poem for you based on our social helpers. Now I am reading the poem. You listen it carefully. The name of the poem is How to Help. Teachers teach us ABCs, shapes and colors, 1, 2, 3s. Doctors help us when we are sick. Medicine will do the trick. Firefighters put out fires. Machines fix our cars and tires. Police help keep things safe for you. What job do you want to do? In this poem, there is a question for you, that what you want to be in your life. So, write your answer in the comment box, and I will be eagerly waiting for your answer.